But by morning, he could barely breathe anymore. On the night before the most important match of his life, Jack's stepmother cooked him his favorite soup. For the first time in years, Jack wants to believe that she really cares about him.
The team was losing. His dream was being stolen.
Coach, I can still play.
Dad got off work early today. Let's go play basketball, son. Today, I will not compromise anymore.
Okay, Dad.
Again. As he grew older, the boy resembles his mother more and more. I have a gift I'd like to give you.
What is this? Wow, this is a basketball.
This is yours.
I will take care of it.
When you hold it, remember one thing.
What?
Great players do not stop after the first miss.
I wish I could play right now.
Hi, is this Jack? He's such a cute boy.
Hi.
Jack, this is Linda.
Hello, miss.
And this is David. He will be staying with us too.
You must be Jack. Your father talks about you.
Your room is small. David.
Jack, sweetheart, could you clear the plates? Jack, be useful and carry these upstairs. Why did you let the water spill on the table, Lucas? Clean it up.
Give the remote control to your brother.
Okay, I'll process it soon and send it to you.
Why does he never help?
Because I asked you.
But he made the mess.
Then clean it before your father sees.
Dinner was lovely, dear.
He has potential.
Can I help you?
I'm Coach Miller from Westbridge Academy.
How interesting.
I saw Jack play basketball today.
That boy has something rare.
Does he?
I want him to train at my academy.
My son David plays too. He is very talented.
I did not see David.
If Jack joins, David joins.
Bring them both tomorrow.
This place smells strange. Ugh. Look at that trophy. It is just metal.
Welcome to Westbridge.
Hello, sir. Training here is serious. Talent opens the door. Discipline keeps you inside. Lucas, show me how to make a basic basketball shot. David, it's your turn now.
My side hurts. That's a great skill, Lucas.
You see the court before others do.
I just try not to mess up.
Good. Keep that fear. Do not let it own you. Let him look.
You should practice.
Mom got me in. Mom will keep me in. Success is not for the lazy.
Why are they talking about Jack?
Because Coach likes him.
Then make him like you.
I do not care.
You will care when everyone watches him rise above you.
Now I will read out the names of those whose names are on the list of participants in the competition.
First name? Jack.
You earned it.
Daniel, Peter, Alex.
There is a mistake.
No,
I am Jack's brother.
that is not a position on the court.
My mother will call you.
She can call. You are not ready.
There he is.
Dinner is ready.
You made this. You worked so hard. You deserve something nice.
I have to take this in the study.
Eat before it gets cold.
Eat your food, David.
Oh no.
The game.
You cannot go anywhere like this. The team needs someone.
Coach will wait. No, he will not.
Rest, Jack. Some dreams are too heavy for children.
How do you feel?
She made me eat it. I have to go.
You can barely stand.
Dad, please. We are down by 18. Stop blaming me! Coach.
Jack! He wanted to come.
You are sick!
I know.
Can you play?
Yes, I can.
Let's go! Yeah! Come on! Keep it up!
I should have been there.
Five, four, three, two, keep going, son!
We did it! Wow, that was amazing! Best shot ever!
My champion is home.
Watch.
I can explain.
No. It was just to keep him home. Pack your things.
Please, we are family.
Not to him. I miss too much.
You stopped coming to the court.
I know.
I kept waiting.
I am here now.